Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. Now I've talked so much about Nebulyft over the last year. It is an amazing anti-aging device using radio frequency that I just truly believe in. I've had great results with myself. I cannot speak highly enough. So I'm always excited to hear when they have new products, and they just launched the new R1C La Rose radio frequency device. And I am in love, you guys. I've got to try this out for the last couple weeks. I have been super impressed, super happy with the results, and I cannot wait to share it with you. The new La Rose is a color that embodies tranquility of Nebulyft. Nebulyft is a Los Angeles-based company, and this shade represents the natural beauty of progression. Nebulyft celebrates the beauty of every individual. Is not just any pink, it exudes a sense of calm, inner strength, reminding us to embrace our natural beauty at every stage of life. And this is exactly what I love about Nebulyft so much and what sets it apart. The essence of Nebulyft is elegant and sophisticated, always celebrating life's natural progression. The new R1C La Rose is created specifically for mature skin. It utilizes patented gold electrodes to deliver precise radio frequency energy in less than 10 minutes. It can adapt to various skin types and areas, including the sensitive eye region, to effectively reduce swelling. The brand new RF dots arrangement is designed for better eye care, so I love that about this one. It has 192 gold micro RF dots and a large panel to promote collagen cell regeneration. It also has 5 adjustable levels of radio frequency energy for deep, effective treatment, which I'm also really loving about this new one. It gets a precise temperature control at up to 107.6 degrees Fahrenheit for gentle and safe use. It is always safe on the skin. Just be sure to keep it moving. You don't want to hold it in one place too long or you will feel it. I love that it charges wirelessly. It also has a waterproof and dustproof design, and it is compact and portable so you can take it with you. It has been shown to effectively improve nasolabial folds, fine lines, and neckline problems in just 7 days of use. It also provides quick hydration to the skin, reduces swelling and dark circles, and improves complexion as well. You can also connect it with the Nebulyft app for better skin management as well. I always get amazing, soft, and glowing skin after using Nebulyft devices. The La Rose is no exception. It is amazing. My skin just feels and looks luminous, and the texture is improving. And I really love that you can focus around the eyes with this device too. I can tell that my fine lines and crow's feet around the eyes are especially improving and really quickly. And then I, of course, love it for the neck. It is an amazing device, a must-have, one that I could not live without, and I highly recommend trying. And check out my before and after that you can see. I've gotten some amazing results. So there it is. I am just loving this handy little radio frequency device from Nebulyft. I hope you guys will check it out. Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to shop my link and my discount as well. You can save on this and any Nebulyft products at any time. So be sure to do that as well. I know you guys are going to love it as much as I have. I cannot imagine not having this handy little beauty device in my pocket at all times. It is really great. It's also great for travel if you're going anywhere spring break or this summer. You can take it with you. Super handy. I've just loved my results using it, especially around the eyes. I'm noticing a big difference now there as well. My skin just feels amazing and soft and lifted, and it's feeling tighter, especially around the neck area too. I'm just very, very pleased with this. I know you're gonna love it. The R1C La Rose from Nebulyft. Shop it below. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I would love to answer them for you. Be sure to subscribe for free weekly awesome content, and give this a thumbs up. Share this with anyone you think would like or appreciate this video, or this would help out. I would appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.